Alright guys, I'm going to try to get you a little ride on the quad. No, don't you bite my tires. No. I'll get you. Daddy will get you. She's mean, boys. I can't tear the yard up though, so hopefully they got it pretty much. Pretty good ride. And that'll do it for this 125 ATV Extreme Quad engine swap. There's the, you want to be on camera? There's Cash Man. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, share, give me a thumbs up, give me a thumbs down. Let me know in the comments what you think about these quads, if you've ever seen one. Like I said, they are Chinese, but they're a better version, supposed to be race ready. The original engine, all the stuff that came on them, all aluminum frame, chrome A-arms and all that. Let's get one more look at how beefy this rear axle is. Solid aluminum. What do you guys think about that? Almighty Garage Big Wrench here. Out. Welcome back, guys. Beautiful Thursday. It's about to rain here in Middletown, Ohio, but I want to show you what I did real quick. Threw some air in the tires, threw some gas in it, threw a line on it, the filter, threw the K&N air filter on it, inline fuel filter, through the tank, the seat on it. I ain't got a battery on here. The battery I ordered off Amazon, 60 bucks. It's a nice battery, but it's about 3 times the size of that. So I'm about to buy a smaller battery. So now I just use my jump pack and jump it. But I was going to start it. My start button wasn't working. And I was like, what the heck's going on? Because as you guys know, we started it and it's been sitting ever since. I did zip tie the wires up, so maybe I was like, maybe I knocked something loose. But it's just a cheap starter button, and in one of the terminals the wire's loose, so I just jumped it at the solenoid. On these Chinese quads, or on these type of engines, guys, Honda, whatever, clone, any type of engine like that, it's got the CDI ignition, and it's got the CDI and the electric start and all that. If you're not getting if you got a good battery hooked up and your push button don't work, all you gotta do is get a screwdriver, find your starter solenoid, and just jump them 2 terminals right there, from there to there, with the screwdriver or any piece of metal. Make sure it's pretty thick, and if that works, then you know your starter button's bad, most of the time anyway. She's sitting there purring like a kitten. I got the adapter plate on it. I bought off eBay. I think it was 10 bucks. It's a little round circle thing I was showing you guys, and it lets you bolt this intake pipe any which way you want. So I kicked it out to the side. It says Mikuni on it, and it says Japan down here. I did buy this off of eBay for 60 bucks. There's another video going out on YouTube saying if you got one of these carburetors that says Mikuni in Japan, that it's not a knockoff. Well, guys, I've got 3 or 4 of them off of eBay now that say Mikuni in Japan on them. So, but I have noticed these are way better. You can hold them up to a different one off Amazon or eBay. These are heavier, and most of the time you bolt them on and go. You don't have to mess with the jets. As you can hear, it's sitting there purring. I am going to rebuild the original engine this winter for this. I got about 4 or 5 of them go-kart quad engine clones. I'm going to rebuild them. They just need gaskets and seals, which I got a bunch of gasket seal kits. Sounds pretty good. Take her for a little ride. I had to put my dog up because he hates vacuums and mowers and everything. He was trying to bite my tires, and he wouldn't have made this ride possible no more. So he's inside now. Excuse the yard. Got a bunch of stuff going on, but let's go. Got to take it nice and slow back here. I want to tear stepdad's yard up. Sounds pretty good though, don't it, guys? Like I said, we can't really get on it too much. Wish I could have my mom come out and record me real quick. I don't know how good this is for you guys, but I'm trying to get you something. And she died. Let me get restarted here.